Don't left behind. Keep up with new technologies. Laser welder to 1000 watt. 4mm steel welds penetration quality check. Let's change welding time to see the tack welds. It was welded for a very short time. Let me show you the back side. If you look here, it's welded to the back. Although the weld time was relatively short, it penetrated for millimeters. If the welding time is longer, the penetration depth is deeper and deeper. Although we didn't bevel the plate, it means that penetration is very good. Now we increase the power of laser source and add wire feeding on the plate welds. Slower weld the speed to see the welds seam front and back. The back side is completely penetrated very good. I don't even bevel the plate. There is no gap between the plate. I think a thicker steel plate will be able to penetrate. Technology continues to develop further. In order not to fall behind in the upcoming future, I think you need to adapt well to the changing times. Now the laser welder is a machine that can be used for variety purposes. Even older women who don't know about welding can handle very easily.